The NAD 3050 LE really reminds me of the world of resto mods and cars. Welcome to Hi-Fied. I'm Marcos, this is Kurt, and today we're really excited about the new NAD 3050 LE integrated amp.
This was just released at the last Toronto show. I just want to thank our friends at NAD for sending us all the pictures and the video so we can have a first look and impression of this new amplifier.
You may be wondering why NAD came out with the new 3050 LE, and it's actually to celebrate their 50th anniversary. NAD was founded in 1972, and they're actually releasing 1,972 units.
Although this one is just a limited release, in the new year they will be coming out with a normal production model. That's one of the, I think what they're going to do is they're going to be the same style, same everything, without the wood.
The new 3050 LE uses all of NAD's new hybrid amplification tech, featuring 100 watts per channel into 4 ohm and 8 ohm. The 3050 also features the MDC 2 port and includes the BlueOS Dirac card in it. It also features HDMI ARC, optical, coax, and two-way aptX Bluetooth connection. In terms of analog, it has a moving magnet phono stage and single RCA input. Also features a sub-out and dual speaker zones A and B. One thing to note too, it has a dedicated headphone amp.
We're really hoping to get one, so make sure if you haven't already subscribed, that we'll hopefully have it in the channel really soon. My initial impressions of this is I like it. You know, it might be a little bit of a trendy thing going back to vintage, but I think it is about time that someone does it in electronics and putting like the latest tech in an older body.
Yeah.
I wish we can all do that in real life, right?
So if you do love the vintage look, much like myself, I'm super pumped about the NAD 3050 LE. When Kurt showed me the first photo, I was like, finally an amp with real VU meters once again. The other thing I really like about it, the fact that it has a real walnut case. Usually you only see this nowadays on really high-end Accuphase or other really high-end amps. It's kind of nice to see one on pretty affordable amp.
That's the one thing I wait to see. I wonder if it's going to be a solid wood or even a real wood, or is it a veneer?
Sound-wise, I'm really curious to see how it's going to sound in general. It really seems to me kind of like it's a mini C399 or in between the C388 and the 399. It's got a lot of the similar tech, just a little bit less power.
In terms of sound, it wasn't really clear if they were using Purify or one of their older digital hybrids. So if it uses Purify, it's going to be more closer to 399, I think, and then the 388 if it's not. One thing I'm curious about is I want to see if they might do anything on the DSP to maybe add some of that old school charm in the sound.
I hope you guys are as excited as we are to get this 3050 LE.
My friends at NAD, thank you for sending us the pictures again, but now you just need to send us the unit.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.